Right, here's the finished Joseph Bates' Sons lock, paint lock and fire resistant safe I bought off eBay for 99p. I've had a new inners put into the lock, the door's been repaired, there's been new escutcheons, it's been shot blasted, it's been primed, it's had 2 coats of finished gloss paint, and now it's finished and ready to be used. For 99p I've had lots of fun, I've learned a lot about locks, I've met some great friends, and I suppose that's what locksmithing and lock sport's all about. I'll just show you how it works and how it looks now. I learned how to put stencils in, the stencils but foil backed, decals, the varnish fixed ones that are really hard to fix. It shuts smooth. It locks easy on the key, and that's it finished. That's a restoration. Thank you very much. Bye.